CanWest has experienced operators, new, well-maintained equipment, and a large inventory of in-stock coring bits to handle any project, large or small, even on short notice. We are equipped for and have the experience to handle everything from coring holes for new utilities in a residential home to large commercial applications. We can core a hole up to 40-inch diameter and any depth. CanWest is equipped with the latest technology and scanning equipment to scan for obstructions before coring. One call to CanWest will get your job done from start to finish. Keep your job on schedule and on budget. Call the professionals. Call CanWest 403-225-4445 or visit us on the web www.canwestconcrete.com.